In an explosive interview with the news channel, Kangana Ranaut went all guns blazing yet again, calling out the powerful people in Bollywood. Blaming bigwigs for Sushant Singh Rajput's alleged demise, Kangana also took a dig at Taapsee Pannu and Swara Bhaskar, calling them B-grade actresses. Not one to take things lying down, Taapsee took to Twitter with a witty and sarcastic tweet. Here's what she said. And in an interview with a leading daily, Taapsee stated, "It's disheartening to see someone making a mockery out of outsiders and the industry that has given us so much." On Kangana accusing her of loving Karan Johar and supporting nepotism, Taapsee said she never mentioned anywhere that she likes Karan Johar or anyone that Kangana alleges, but she has never said that she hates them either. Taapsee added, just because she doesn't hate the person Kangana hates isn't equivalent to her being in support of the person. Taapsee called out Kangana for being illogical in making assumptions. On being accused of not getting work due to nepotism, Taapsee went on to state that she has been working on multiple films every year and she has 5 upcoming films in the pipeline. She said, "Who says I don't get enough work? I decided to keep my career graph slow and steady, and that's exactly how it's been going." Taapsee also acknowledged that she has been dropped out of films and replaced with star kids, but the fact that Kangana and her sister Rangoli try to discredit her hard work by calling her names is an equal level of harassment, if not more. She further stated how her existence in the industry isn't a sign of nepotism, as this was also one of the things stated by Ranaut. Taapsee said that none of her past films have been produced by any of the mafia gangs that Kangana keeps targeting and mentioning about. She says, "So how is my existence because of nepotism?" She further said, "Undermining someone's genuine achievements by crediting wrong sources and then mocking is not how you prove that you are a true successful outsider." The Badla actor also said she refuses to take advantage of someone's demise and said she refuses to be bitter. She also said, "I refuse to take advantage of someone's death for personal vendetta, and I refuse to make a mockery out of the industry that gave me bread and identity. As an actor who wants to speak up and address important issues that have happened with me, which can help empower others, I did speak up when I was wrongfully replaced in Pati Patni Aur Wo." She says she had called out a wrong practice and the director of the film had supported her then. Well, the Thappad actor has categorically given a stern reply to each and every accusation that Kangana has levelled against her. Ever since Taapsee retorted to Kangana's statements, Kangana's team on Twitter yet again has taken digs at the actress for supporting nepotism. Taapsee in turn has been retweeting those who have said that Kangana is using Sushant's demise as a tool to promote herself. Well, it seems like the blame game is far from over. Stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.